Hello, this is Ed from Mountain View 3D. Have you had trouble getting projects and brims and pieces off of your Bambu Lab Super Tack build plate? I have, and I've been digging at the plate and trying not to damage it, and it's hard. But I have discovered a way that works very good for me, and I wanted to share that with you. So hang around for just a moment and I will get things ready. I will show you how I do it. It's super easy, it's super quick. Be right back. Okay, here we are with our Bambu Lab Super Tack build plate. I'm going to take a single edge razor blade that is used in box cutters that you'd get at the big box store. Angle the blade just a little bit and let it lay down on the build plate. Just pull it towards you. You'll see I've got it angled just a little bit and it just comes right off. Doesn't get much simpler than that. And I don't care how much flexing you do with the build plate, it just will not pop off. So that's just a real quick and easy way. You can even do that with the build plate still on the machine, but I find it easier with the X1 carbons to pull it off. So let's do another one. Again, just lay the blade down, pull it towards you, angle the blade a little bit, and just keep on pulling. As you can see with my left finger, I'm just pushing on the back of the blade. I'm not really working hard at all, and it comes off super good. So let's do one more. Get a chance to see it. And again, it's just lay the blade down, pull it towards you, and it'll just pop right off. It really doesn't get any easier than this. Alright, so now that I've got that off, let's take a look at the build plate. We'll get a little closer look. No damage whatsoever, no scratching, nothing left behind. It's just fantastic. Works great. And there you have it. It's just that easy. Lay the razor blade down, pull it across the surface. Don't put any pressure on it. Just let it glide right along, and it'll take care of everything for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe. Make comments below. Look forward to seeing you next time.